Hey, good morning everyone. How's it going? So what am I working on now? Well, I'm finishing up that timing chain job on that Chevy Malibu, the one with 211,000 miles on it. A couple of things. People were asking, well, timing chain wore out at 211,000 miles. Would it have lasted longer had they done more services? Well, I think it would have. Had they changed oil every 3,000 to 4,000 miles, it probably would have lasted longer. This motor has been taken care of. Yeah, it does have a little buildup, but it's not bad considering the mileage. As you can see, it's reasonably clean. It's weird how it gets dark to that side, but it's reasonably clean. So, and there's the new chain and everything else that's in place there. The gears and whatnot, new guides. Okay. Now, people get hung up on semantics and proper terminology for things. I don't know why, but it happens. So the timing chain technically wasn't stretched, but saying stretched is just, it's an easier way of putting it. The chain wore. It wore out. Yes, it's not, no, it's not stretched is what I should say. No, it's not stretched. But saying stretched, everybody understands that. If you say, you know, there's more of a, more tolerance in the links and stuff like that, nobody pays attention to that. You tell them it's stretched, yeah, they understand that. The average Joe will understand what you're talking about if you say stretched. Or at least they'll have a better understanding or get there quicker. The other thing is, people get hung up on engine and motor. Yeah, I know the difference. But they're called motorcycles, not engine cycles, right? You have Bavarian Motor Works, BMW, motor, they were using engines, so why didn't they call themselves Bavarian Engine Works? I know the difference, just throwing that out there. So I find it funny how some people just, that's like, they get so fixated on that I call an engine a motor and they say stretch timing chain or whatever, but you get the idea, you understand it. So anyway, I find it kind of funny that people just, like I said, get hung up on it. So let me finish this job right now. So like I said, this is the one where I replaced a stretch timing chain on this motor. Have a great day. Keep wrenching.